Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are with the new lecture. The lecture number is 2C, and in this lecture we will deal with the triangles, area of the triangles, perimeters of the triangles. If we want to define the triangle is a plane figure which has 3 sides and 3 angles. Generally, the sum of the 3 angles is 180 degree. Triangle may be divided into the 6 types and maybe more, but in this lecture we are dealing the 6 triangles. The number 1 triangle is the right angle triangle. Number 2 is the isosceles triangle. Number 3 is the equilateral triangle. Number 4 is the scalene triangle. Number 5, triangle having 2 sides and 1 angle known. And the 6th triangle is the triangle having 1 side and 2 angles. A right angle triangle is a triangle having angle 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. This is the angle is 90 degree. And height h and base b, and this is the hypotenuse. Capital H is hypotenuse. So A for area, H for height, small h for height, B for base, and capital H for hypotenuse. For area, the formula is 1/2 B into H, simple. And for hypotenuse is under root h square plus b square. And for perimeter, just add up these 3 sides, small h, b and h. This is the h, capital H. This is the capital H. This is the typographical mistake. Now for area, hypotenuse and perimeter, in this example we find if we are given the b is equal to 12 centimeter and h is equal to 20 meter. For area, take the formula half into base into height, and just put the values of base is 12 and h is 20, and simplified it, we are getting the result 120 square meter. For capital H, hypotenuse, just use this formula, h square under root h square plus b square. Under root h means 20 square, b is the 12, and 20 square is 400, and 12 square is 144, and this is the wrong. Okay, and 400 plus 144, we are getting the 544, and square root of 544, we are getting 23.32 meter. Perimeter is equal to 20 plus 12 plus 23.32, and we are getting the 56.32 meter. For area of the isosceles triangle, this is the second triangle, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle having two equal sides and 1 base. You can see there, A is the side, A is the another side, and B is the third side. For area, we use the formula B under root 4a square minus b square upon 4. This is the area formula. B under root 4a square minus b square upon 4. Put the values of a 20 feet and b is 12 feet. 4 into 20 square 1600, 12 square 144 upon 4. Just 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20, and we are getting this 5 under root 1600 square minus 144. 5 under root, just subtract 1600 minus 144, we are getting 456. 1456, square root of 1456 is 38.5, multiply by 5, we are getting the result is 190.78 square feet. For perimeter, just add all sides, 20 plus 20 plus 12. This 20 is 2 times and B is 12 feet. Add them, we are getting 52 meter perimeter. The third triangle is the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle having all sides equal in magnitude. Just area under root 3 upon 4 a square. This square root is only on 3. Perimeter is a plus a plus a. We are getting the 3a. Take the example, find a and perimeter. If a is equal to 200 centimeter, no matter. Take the formula, under area is equal to under root 3 a square upon 4. Under root 3 a is the 200 square upon 4. Under root 3 is the 1.7321. 200 square means 40,000 and upon 4. Just cancel out this 40,000 upon 4. We are getting 10,000, and this is 1.7321. Multiply it. We are getting 17,321 square centimeter area. This is the perimeter. P is equal to 3a. 3 into 20. We are getting 60 centimeter perimeter. The fourth triangle is a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle is a triangle having all side different dimension. This is A, this is B, and this is the C. And A is not equal to B and is not equal to C. For area, the formula is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. And S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. And for perimeter is P is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. We should remember S always is greater than A individually, B and C. Take the example, find A and P if A is equal to 20 centimeter, B is equal to 15 centimeter, and C is equal to 13 centimeter. First we find the S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. Just A is 20, B is 15, C is equal to 13. Add them, divided by 2. When we add them, we are getting 48. 48 upon 2 is 24 centimeter. This is the value of S. Now we are using this value in the formula. Area is equal to under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is equal to 20 centimeter. Here again we are using S is equal to 24. A is equal to 20. We are taking here 20. S is equal to 24 again, and B is equal to 15 minus 15. S is equal to 24 and SC is equal to 13. We are putting the values. Now this is the 24. 24 minus 20 is 4. 24 minus 15 is 9. 24 minus 13 is 11. Just multiply them. We are getting the square root this value and getting the square root. 97.48 is the area of the square centimeter. P is equal to, just add up, 20 plus 15 plus 13 is the sides of the triangle and is getting 48 centimeter. The fifth triangle is a triangle having two sides and one angle. For formula, these are the three formulas for depend on the sides given. If A and B are given, then angle will be the sine. If A and B are given, the angle will be the sine between A and B. If if B and C is given, the angle will be the A. And if A and C is given, the angle will be the B. Take the example. If A is equal to 20, B is equal to 30 and C is equal to 65. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the angle between A and B, that is C. This is the capital C is showing the angle. Area, we have three formulas. Area is equal to AB sin C, area is equal to BC sin A, area is equal to AC sin C. But our values are A and B, so we are using this formula, A and B. This area is equal to AB sin C, Put the value of A 20, B is 30 and sine C is 65 degree. 20 multiplied by 30 is 600 and sine 65 is 0.906. Multiplied, we are getting the value 543.78 square units. This is the last triangle, the sixth triangle, in which we have one side known and two angles known. Any two angles. For formula, area is equal to A square sine B into sine C upon sine A. For B square sine A into sine C upon sine B, and the third one formula is C square sine B and sine A upon sine C. You can see here that in denominator the angle is A with respect to the side A. Here is the angle B with respect to the side B. Here angle the C with respect to the side C. Now take the example. If we have a triangle having A is equal to 405 and angle A and B is given 55 degree and 67 degree, then we can find the area. As we are giving the side A, so we are using this formula. We have two angles A and B. When we add up these three angles, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. Put the value of A 55, B is 65 and C is unknown and is equal to 180 degree. Shift the given values to the right, 180 minus 50 minus 67 degree. We are getting the third angle is 58 degree by the given two angles. Now area is equal to A square sine B sine C upon sine A. Just put the value of A, small a is given 405 square sine 67 sine 58 upon sine 55. Square them, 16025. Sine 67 degree is 0.920, sine 58 degree 0.848, sine 55 degree is 0.819. Simplified them, we are getting the result 104,823 square units. Units may be centimeters, may be meters, may be kilometers, anyone. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.